Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create clean photo frames using frames in Photoshop. Now I open Photoshop and create a square canvas suitable for social media visuals. First, I place an image on the canvas and convert it into a smart object for flexibility. Then I select the rectangle tool and draw a clean frame shape around the image. After that, I adjust the stroke thickness to give the frame a modern, minimal look. Now I align the image perfectly inside the frame using smart guides. Next, I duplicate the frame layer and slightly scale it up to create a layered border effect. Then I add subtle shadows to separate the frame from the background. After this, I fine-tune spacing so the image feels centered and balanced.